that and come out production team, you know, Papa Bales, African, Akete, maybe soon come out Zoo. So we are live on Facebook. You can check us out. Said yeah, Transia, yeah, no, Fendi can which mediation, you're tuning in Radia, yeah, Mawa Quenya. Not one so wet to me, afraid about mediation, not what the Yamia say. 1 year, why at the amount. Yes, sir, cry back on straight. So now best to call 0302 216 561. I say 0302 216 562. Numbers I'll be to me a friend about you made so no and no. Numbers me bona me yes me bono bokwa. Never set fast. Born in 10 time there. Go fast fine pa. I net you for some pennies. And also now you cool man pa. 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. I'm yes and born back 0302. Who's an ass on way? Anyway, first caller Wahman's already. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
If I try your first, I'm in your bar.
I'm a case, I'm very colleague.
You,
but I'm part of my 20 machine. I'm in.
Are you, Mate?
My day. My friend, day. My friend, to me, Sada. My to me, Sada. Adom ya umobia wadi homini doso mene. My seed of a day. Nasa. Every my be a day. Nasa. Amen.
Amen. Amen. Amen. Yeah, that's the power.
Bye bye.
We see necessary. Man, kasa chesa or home. Also, a bread. Hi, no, our fans are enough from Saho. Nana ama banahine. Ashasi. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patrick Frost saying.
My family Lois.
Lois Aquaba Patrick eat you.
Oh, you're Send your me a case. Baby, I for a while. Yes, uncle. And then yes, uncle. And then I'm you.
Amen. Amen.
So was it?
Are you?
Nothing makes fashion.
You, me church, I'm right. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, brother.
What are you from saying?
But I'm from Yamiche, my friend Madina.
Yamiche Aquaba.
But the person with food don't say Yamidian.
Let me say, no to
Minka. Asasida. Minka. Asaya. Minka. Adia Jesus, why? Oh, Yamilsa.
Amen. Amen.
But I made the radius mama cry, and it was so. The person is who lies to catch your biase. We are my and we are Christian, yeah, shall not soon yummy, Medas Yamisha. Bye bye.
Hello.
Hello, brother.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Sister Kosiniana. Sister Joan, New Tafo.
But
You do.
you, Miss Medina, me ask. Oh, good to born home by on Yamisa, Mabusian and Menina. Then I may ask. Let me call for my son for my dear in chain now. Yamin come. And the brother Limo, we had more at my family. So, the Biam Papa. I don't remember. You tell me to watch him.
Yeah, that's it.
Papa. Bye.
Bye bye. Young Samutia, so there be a baba. Program there be a bear. No more tea. Mrs. Lordina Bill Gates. Yesterday was your birthday. Happy birthday to you, though belated. Nyame Onsha no your kese. Mrs. Lordina Bill Gates. Hello. Sorry. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
So good afternoon.
Pacho, your friend was saying.
I tried the first thing because I fell out.
48 you.
The radius bomb book is here with the bomb in the especially my madam at me know you mama have phone na the radius I want to see how I am my nyan say you
ampa
that be bo mo three but there is sabia in so I see it so then say the boni nyina e that say American say dan kan ji we use amen
amen yeah that's a pa. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Gajali na Puma.
Apomu ye pa na so e.
Ya da chule amponya nkwansi. Ye na na se bele mam kase fi kantaman tulintesi.
You.
Ya da chule amponya nkwansi. So wa kuma bua se yeso. Apo ye hu ban edi apa na afi ya abusumi nu afi en ye da chule amponya nkwansi. Enye nyame a edi ese ne ho am de nyame ase de.
Amen. Next time Friday no low radio no na bibia fine. 16 more minutes to 4. Good afternoon and come out Mr. Wilfred Nazer. One wife Mrs. Bella Nazer of Stanchat. Wife or a special friend of mine. And she's a good person, just like yourself. Mr. and Mrs. Nazer, Namisha Muhati, we are special. Wilfred Nazer, and then Bella Nazer. Mituche Mamuati. Omudiodo. All right, mommy, family, next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patro, your friend saying.
Patro, your friend Jane, I can't feel like
right, Jane Akwaba.
Yeah.
Me Patro, eat you.
Patro, me say, oh, baby, how I am, mommy. Say, yeah, and Kabadisa, me and I'm Minty, Yamia Drum, Siasi. It's me cause I didn't say, and the mamma, bravo. And on Friday, me bra, birthday, your friend Kendra, Casajan, Adom. It's me saying, I'm going to say, oh, man, and Quantin, say, would be Yate.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
And a drop when you say, almost here, Miss Young Madam for you. Also, you Bruce.
Catch on, Sam is me, feel Guess, Jerry, I am listening to you live. God has been very faithful to me. And I want to thank him for how far he has brought me and my kids. Wefi Nana Ayiwa Enchen. Beautiful Nana Ayiwa. And I have to say, I hope say BBI cool. Happy birthday also going out to Samuel J. Adom. No, that's just a chief of Temapa. Samuel J. Adom. Happy birthday to you. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, JJ.
Patrick Frost.
That's Esther Koforidia.
You, sister Esther Mwakwaba.
Yeah.
Yet you.
That's all. Maybe I said, Nick, I'll be a more Nakopon okay, and so die, whom I say. Maybe kind of then I asked the mammy, Cecilia will say, oh, go for death, gas. That's a man just standing and I mean so. That's a man mirror, a brabo, meaning me manina. I mean, Shray, no more and hope I said, you could a yen sana. I mean, Shramon, so won't come home.
Amen.
But so my main fancy, I'm a retired pastor. Pastor Cobra a day dance so a shaman. I mean, Shran no man a holding.
Amen.
That is Sadakwenis. Bye bye.
Hey. Colanos wa kebi. One can you cry your brother. Afternoon, Brad Jerry. Please wish my lovely girl a happy birthday for me. She's Tracy, old student of our New School. With legs is wedding chain. Yellows is here to say Cecilia Opokujima. I'll say Jerry, good afternoon. I am not well, but I'm still alive. So please thank God for my life. Greetings going out to you yourself, Papa Bills, and your Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp members Nina from Yellow CC. Yellow CC, we're wishing you well. Speedy recovery to you. Why? Beka on pai boom, Bibia Kabia Nyame de Beka Hama. Why? So when I mean wishing me mommy well. Mama Lit of Mama Lit Afro Shop. Dortmund, Germany. For me, Nyaminka. Mommy, 100 don kakra. But Nyame Bay, I want neighbor back. Bibia Bay fan. Ewe Yesu di. Efia Adaba _ Clara. Also, I want to thank God for His loving kindness He has shown upon my family members and then myself. We are very grateful. And a happy birthday in advance. And come on, me home. And a happy birthday in advance to you. Why? Happy birthday wish also goes to Winifred Mawenya Amenya V. Peculiar Stars Academy ACP Kwabenya. Today marks your 2nd anniversary. May God bless you with long life and good health as well. Steady heart from mom and dad to you. Jerry, kindly wish my mom, Charity Amwako Esiedu, formerly of GCB, Semi-Industrial Area Branch, a happy birthday from the Asiedu family. We love her so much. God bless her. If you Sandy Asiedu, then change. Adema mommy. Oni abusuani na. Ti mommy, you will show well. Nyame nka ho as you celebrate your birthday today. Want na nim chiro na unsha na onye okese. Omo ho ban abre na. Amen. Na me do but said again na pija no no di akira be pra ha di de no to na adwuma ma binim sei Yehowa to krento Oparash for us. Good afternoon, Brother Jerry. Have a nice day. Today is another day God has given to all of us. Thanks be to him and big ups going out to you, all of you. Happy Mother's Day. Hey, still to my lovely mom, Faustina Opari inside Suhum. Yes, Adom Cold Store, Suhuma Dakwa Station. I want to thank God for my family and then that of our Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group members. Nina. And our face, souvenirs and more workers Nina. So Lex is with you and I send this out, sweetie. Tilly so say good evening, Brother Jerry. I want to thank God for my life and that of my family and friends. It hasn't been easy. And if not for the Lord on our side, where would I be? I am so grateful for your life as well. Minua me da say. Ovisa me. Enum to no me nyade. Entina say true vine for tonum sana. I am me appreciate you om sana me wachiri o sa. I mean mom fans because it's not easy ojo. Enche bi aba beti asem wadi tuon for awie. Before that, near fast that can say my proud sponsors are done then you know. I'm a boy my timidity offend can you radia brel. I will feel consummation. Feco spray starch. We know Unyan is saying now. Iron and I have very simple the amount. I only a shall this year at the end of one near tension come apart because all the feco spray starch are good. Material any that cry and you put your mono by force. Better at the end we need just nice fragrance woman. If you want use perfume gradual, you are good to go. And nothing you say fecal spray starch, looky sharp. Yeah. Another quality product from Samara Company Limited. They are available at shops, next stores, in supermarkets. How do you name? And a petrol trust I mean can't just say no employer in Casa. Nah, and you be a crown on church you man. So why no trustee yeah that should be or lump sum benefit to be to you at the amount at retirement. And you be a crowd tier 2 contributions no what you are now so won't you wouldn't the state of your pension contributions are now. Sound some no say ultimi a share and we intend them ye say be bet me one who's and part online baby a ginano imuye pa. What you say? The Kobasa wood, A Petra Trust and a manage the amawa. The only problem we you phone pen about star 447 star 70 hash. If you was submitted or contact details now for verification, now why just be sorted. And yes, sir. At retirement, now feeling some baby PP by Hadrin. But for further inquiries, visit petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. I first did you a young farmer, Kojak farmer. Kojak farmer. Or see Udi Ade. Adna say Adia Ash and Adia Chill. Now say FM one. And Yadipa. Use Kojak F. Toothpaste. And then a mouthwash. A big giant tempana. They more cobas all the end, they are not dampa. Toda crowd choose and was your tumoja. Sibet me to two zane yoya. One ube use Koja P toothpaste. Now all day ne mouthwash no alcohol. Use no continuously for 4 weeks. Later now I switch it to Kojak F. Open best result I have for Kojak sensitive toothbrush no alcohol. I tem ama. Now available at pharmacy shops out across the country. Do panel. If you Kojak from a chair, or can she drag lane? Yes, our phrase 0260 870 780 and our fee 0249 209 920. FDA phones were approved and cratui enti in a edru asumi. Habia nearly. Your fast day on a guaranteed trust bank. Yeah, nay on a British Airways akabomo. A boa more contour some retimia the dead come Ediama war. It's your free Sabre Yakopim November Bosumi Neria 2019 Imuno. Abribia would to Kwayako Europe and Auko UK and I be Auko US and I Canada no. Bet me 15% discount or tickets no so say your business premium economy and I say economy cabin mubia. Bet me 15% discount or so. Yes, all ya say Ube book you flight no online. Our British Airways Journey Planner no SO. Now what you see password GT Bank 2018. And yes, out there call GT Bank branch BM across the country. Na a bookie the flight no na etua what mean sa discount we very simple. We running out till the 30th of November 2019. I say booking should be made via British Airways Journey Planner or at any GT Bank branches BM. Terms and conditions apply. For further details, phrase 050-410-0036 or 050-410-0288. Guaranteed trust bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? I am sure you would do. Sabre no nine awiebo. Enu to the adru no say ye hwe asem aye de etu ye ho fo awie yi. Na ye wie ni sa. Na de aka na ye keka call irrigated mu anu no. But before we do that, this is my song of the moment. Meti ana makoma to me ye. Ma rent free adoye anyame waye de ama no coverage adoya onyame adanedi coverage oh emma rent free adoya onyame adanedi coverage amaye. Senhor, nyami no way I found. Oh, Ankaya bayete. Ah, Ningwasi kafatayen. Ah, Nansu jinemu mayen. Wayena ya yati. Nansu wangena no. Oda fubi. Nino seno free. Adoya, Unyamia Dan Medi, Calvary, oh, Emma Rent free. And you Nessie, as well, El Koye Kekekwa. Happy birthday, Uncle Emma Pastor Simon Kwashi of Living Presence Evangelistic Network. Wow. From Mimi Amanfo Edu of Double Chris Boutique on the Spinkters Road. Okay, so Ebrana Society asemwa yedi tu your for and every e Ofie Kwanso media so adaroma omom de brain we be say hwanyo no patro nyum na me bono Tego Sisters brand new one om de ababot I mean and chombe pound ma de besi bia no aso bete why but said the matter hwemu no me train ye tines preparatory the title is Don't Forget my referee Tego Sisters, right? Adaroma omo ebo ame de afutu abrewo no MTN Afe Roma insecticide spray and then the mosquito coil Bima Insurance and a Kojak charcoal toothpaste Amadama and a yeti asemwa yedi tuonfo and area now and that's somewhere you tuonfo very 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 simple. I do believe say you've heard it over and over and over and over again but yes or say TD asem no say if you want to be happy in life, don't dwell in the past. Don't worry about the future. Focus on living in the present. Opese when you repay your abrabo wo boimu a. Me ha ho bebre. Wo de asi atwam enra no eho. Enema abawa kwemu abesen kono se ade ne ko yie san ko yie afi na do adwendwen ana se wa ho den ne te se obi bia wadwen ne ekosi no so e ko dwendwen ho dabi wo yesa akro ntimi nko wanim forget about it afi men titi bebre e wo dachi no ho nkrofo bebre bobrana na se ofi ne 20s won or 30s won afi o hwese de abrabon ko na afi future na scare no see did that chinye be yi and then they begin to worry masa don't worry about the do anim na eba no don't worry about the future wo dachi na wo dwendwen wo brebre e wo say you need to make provisions abrabon wo boni na ototo ne ma yi said e be ya dachi bi just like the bia meka petrol trust ho sem chiro ene o contributions kakra be ye betimi aboa na dachi bi no wako retirement no honcho ne ade those things you do you plan for those things, but don't worry so much about them. Me masade no entete obetimi tena odwea na kene ye nyame de ache no na wakonya se obetimi aye bibi sunku bi na asesa na brabo no na was spend the day ni na thinking about dachi bi but unim dachi mu asem da no na me kan radio so say moto fu yi omo nhwe ho asem kana ye nua be ma set several wo kwadwuma wo twakwan mu ye ni mu ya from radio to TV just across car if you left right near stop say won twam no moto finyi wo bu abrante no make say or the hospital obi a we very active okoba. Now when I was with him he said something me kwasra no hospital na me dwen wudin for a moment but man can't react but na I didn't ring a bell me feel na me tena kam na it was still ringing in my mind. Say unipa unim di besi in the next minute. That is what he told me. I was Jerry obi am I was holding the console with my laptop near day obi yeko yejuma minim say me ko ejuma ba me kofi and then the next minute just a second and look at me now. I can't do anything. Everything has to be done on this very bed because I am not supposed to move my leg. As I say, I want one position. Look at me. Obi me active all the time. Now I can't even move a muscle because SSM is shaking me nine. So a bedroom, so sebi ubijana na yo, everything needs to be done on the bed. So you see, unim debate me see in the next minute. So why worry so much? Ene nyame de amount. You only have today. Inti ade bia wo ye bia no, ahodi bia wo bia, nimde bia wo bia, bibia ise so ye bia no. You have to do it today. It is a watchna do. Na nyame amfa kan ho a. Why ye de obeye wie okọ. But ujai de sese wo ye nenne no eto ho. Now the sa hoden ni adagye ni na edwen daache ho a. Na sa daache na ama na wo koya na wo bae. Sa so na ujai de sese ne wo ye no to. Now the adagye ne wa hoden ni bibia unyansa nyina edwen de atwam besen ko. Meanwhile there's nothing you can do about ade asi atwam eko. You can't turn back the hands of time. No way. So why worry over it? Ewie nyame kan yinayo. Na omayen sa hoden no. Na onka ka ya breni abrina. Se okan yen katiasefo no ho a na ode eda etese ne dei echen ya. Yemfa ya hoden ni nyansa na bibia. Yemfa hye sa adanum. Na de betimi aye bia betimi better the life that we are living na empo eso aban faso ama afofo bi no eno ene ye ninkohu ne yenye na yenya se da na ye dwen dia besen atwamu ne ho na da nyina ye dwen dia fe ne ebeba ho e wa bra ye nim how it would even happen. Nyame onkan we wie as dan ye dey my proud sponsors MTN ene utwa otumsa se wo kɔ wanimu ni free after one see emu ye amafo enjoy sa wo de no beto ncha ene MTN se men control se ubetimi anya smart feature phone na why enjoy 500 MB free data every month bia for 6 solid months only on MTN. Once ubetimi experience a cool smartphone yeah e wo WhatsApp e wo Facebook e wo YouTube e wo Google Map e san kra wo just say enough space ubetimi store data ne all the amazing features ne ade bibia nina no for just 150 cedis and now the toss our smartphone way. That's a smartphone at a smart price. Timpacho ma onsanka sa MTN smartphone ye kan wasemi. Available MTN shops ahodo ni when any other retail outlets do dona emu. Now also to browse it like never before with 500 MB free data for 6 months only on MTN. We there for you everywhere you go. Roma insecticide spray. Udi miaso kekenenya fo na fagu demu ne yiwani eno ano no. And Tuntuma Capelto Crusu Kakalika Wamuna Yamutu, Wakumuna awie. A baby neja nice fragrance for them all. Come pa. No quarrel to sa is you as a son sa because a smokeless. A boozy and so not a kumuntuntumina. Correct pa. Ubian PBH, not in the bush in from mobile. Available was shops and stores and supermarkets. How do you know? Roma insecticide spray in a coil. Was it in Tonton Master, another quality product from Samara Company Limited. If you know what they do, you fama Bima Insurance. If I Bima Insurance, or no any or wow. Na also no bushia, motimiate de. So bibinko ye. Na ya free Bima doctor on the line. No church or you way, no more quanchida, no sort you out. Just the Bima is out there sorting out families. And they with as little as 6 cedis. When you bush your bit me enjoy unlimited medical advice from a Bima doctor over the phone. Sounds no bit me receive extra cash for your medication and a free lab test. So yeah, rare. Plus a maximum payout of up to 1,500 cedis. A bit me ayo there now family member there wa bra wa yare hospital na ya admit no ompe we na pede. Sanso na ni omo amane mu ayemre se wutua for policy and now receive you claims no. Oh, yeah the farm mobile money so MTN mobile money wallet in dem Airtel to go money in dem kron Bima sorted Uni problem. So sign up now. 0277 000545 and let's sort you out. Young policies, no, they are underwritten by Alliance. Bima, protecting the future of every family. Finally, as they do, the Kojak charcoal toothpaste. Can't you know? About 4 years, stop 1 time penny citrino. Both say penny phones and say ya prosa, your fat body tree, near Abu Bossusa, near young BD. Oh, charcoal. Near the truth since most one night say to would you not do so one more? Both are seen now if a fair white come apart. Yes, near himself near Bejimibre. Send I an animal chasing Yami Adom. Adumacha dear pa, Omunim dear, Ankasa. And near Fena scientists netting Yashimwa discover say properties be or charcoal more. A bow nipa de Senia Numba. You were marketing to be a new for your in but Yami bomb special. Omojuma special moyo. A potato momo mojman ho correct. I say in Camboni if you were num. Na abwa ama sen no gamni na wade mapa album. And you can say what things about senso as a result of excessive coffee intake, tea, and now say colored foods here wood ya red wine here there cigarette here wood tree a basin ya we are dousing we know. Stains ni now who use Kojak charcoal toothpaste now the truth here not clear ni now seno a sparkle are you white for come pa do baby no new size a guy and no available our pharmacy shops are only in them across the country do pa no hwehwe Kojak pharmacy akwan wo kan she drug lane na also onsa account there and yes our phrase 0249 209 920 and our fee 0244 674 400 and katwe FD4 ayi munhwemu agiatum say o how be any no monkoso ana mu yusu na ebeboa mu yipa sa pepepe enete 106.3 FM and wasugusu otie
Monkwem Ghana nyumni nyina hade ne boss Ofie Kwanso Jerry Justice on Adom FM 106.3 Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice